If your HyperX Cloud 3 mic is not working, don't worry. In this video, fixes to get your mic working again. Step 1. Check connections. First, make sure your headset is properly connected. If you're using the 3.5mm jack, push it in all the way until it clicks. If you're on USB, try plugging it into a different USB port. Sometimes a loose connection is the whole problem. Step 2. On the HyperX Cloud 3, there's an inline mute switch. Make sure the mic isn't muted. Flip it off and test your mic again. Step 3. Now let's fix it through Windows settings. 1. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. 2. Under Input, choose HyperX Cloud 3 as your default microphone. 3. Speak into the mic. You should see the input level bar moving. Step 4. Windows sometimes blocks mic access. To fix this, 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security Microphone. 2. Make sure microphone access is turned on. 3. Also allow apps like Discord or Zoom to access your mic. Step 5. Next, update your drivers. 1. Open Device Manager. 2. Expand audio inputs and outputs. 3. Right-click your HyperX Cloud 3 mic and click Update Driver. Updating often solves compatibility issues. Step 6. If your mic still doesn't work, test it on another PC, laptop, or even a phone. If it works elsewhere, the issue is with your computer. If it doesn't, the mic might be faulty and you may need a replacement. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more tech fix guides.